Hello, MSc Industrial Engineering and Management from the University of Dundee is a one-year full-time master's level course, and here are the top reasons to opt for this course. This MSc Industrial Engineering and Management enables you to develop advanced knowledge and experience in engineering and management to prepare you for a career in leading positions within the engineering industry. In partnership with the School of Science and Engineering and the School of Business at the University of Dundee, you will develop skills, knowledge and understanding of specialized industry-focused engineering and fundamental management subjects. On the engineering side, you will study a number of subjects including advanced robotics, where you will look at multi-modal sensor integration and human-robot interactions, and advanced manufacturing, where you will investigate modern and smart manufacturing technologies. On the management side, you will study a number of subjects including project management processes, leadership and decision making, giving you a key understanding of the roles and responsibilities of leadership. The university has a number of research and teaching collaborations around the world, including a partnership with CERN in Geneva, Switzerland, creating opportunities for industrial placements, PhDs and graduate positions. So let's have a look at the key eligibility requirements for MSc Industrial Engineering and Management from the University of Dundee. Let me give you with some useful facts that will help you understand how MSc Industrial Engineering and Management from the University of Dundee has excellent career prospects. Due to working closely with industry experts to produce graduates with the skills to meet industry standards and requirements, along with the multidisciplinary nature of the course, you can work in a wide range of positions including industrial engineer, planning engineer, commissioning engineer, development engineer, manufacturing engineer, performance engineer. Hello, the MSc Industrial Engineering and Management from the University of Dundee will definitely help you in learning worthy skills and all-round development. Let me share some interesting insights. Teaching methods include lectures, workshops, group work and student presentations. The university also offers an extensive range of employability-related services throughout the year. These include guest lectures from industry professionals and industry-run workshops. These are designed to add to your teaching and offer you more opportunity to plan for your future career. There are multi-dimensional benefits to study MSc Industrial Engineering and Management from the University of Dundee, and let me share some of them. This course contains a great variety of subjects that will improve your understanding of engineering, business and management principles and how to apply them in the real world. The teaching staff are very helpful, welcoming and really supportive. The university has a number of research and teaching collaborations around the world, including a partnership with CERN in Geneva, Switzerland, creating opportunities for industrial placements, PhDs and graduate positions. In the MSc Industrial Engineering and Management from the University of Dundee, the core modules that have been previously offered include Marketing as Creative Practice, Moving Up to Business, Strategic Management Accounting, Leadership and Decision Making, Project Management, Advanced Robotics, Advanced Manufacturing, Engineering Project and Report, Industrial Placement. Under the guidance of their academic staff, you will undertake an industrial-related project for at least 12 weeks, gaining practical experience and valuable contacts in the industry. Recent project examples have looked at optimization of material flow and enhancement of overall equipment effectiveness in a manufacturing company and proton therapy. Looking for more details on this course, or if you're looking for an expert advice directly from the University of Dundee, log on to speaktouniversity.com and book an appointment with the university delegate. Follow the link in the description.